Well, hi friends, welcome back. And if this is your first visit, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you could join us. If you're anything like me and you love simple DIYs, then you're gonna enjoy this video. I'm gonna share with you how to create your own pillow cover. Now, since buffalo check here in the Netherlands is a very rare and very hard to find, when I came across these kitchen towels, I was so excited, you guys. I picked these up. They were a set of 3 for only €2.79, and I thought they would be perfect to create my own pillow covers. Now the best part was that these kitchen towels were the perfect size for these pillow inserts that I already had. Now I'm going to share with you how easy and simple it is to sew your own pillow covers. And you guys, you can totally use glue gun for this, but I want this to be more permanent and I want to be able to wash these if they get stained. And with the glue gun, the glue might come off in the wash. So I am just making it more permanent by sewing it. Now I'm just removing the hanging hook and the label because I won't be needing those. Now I'm just trying to figure out where to stitch the two ends together because I wanted the checks to be perfectly aligned in the front of the pillow as well as the back. As you can see here, the checks are perfectly aligned, and I am going to be stitching the two ends of this pillow cover and the parts here and here, and I'm going to leave this middle part open so I can insert my pillow. To make it easier on yourself, I really recommend you pinning down the parts that you're going to stitch. Now, as you can see here, I have the cover the right side out, and the reason for that is that I didn't have a orientation line on the inside where I could see where to stitch it down. I'm not sure if you can see it here, but anyway, I didn't have an orientation line, so that's why I am sewing this part the right side out. And now I'm ready to flip it inside out, as you can see, and I can go ahead and stitch up the two ends of the pillow cover. And this is what it finally looks like, you guys, after I've done the stitching and the sewing, and I think it looks very pretty so far. And now it's time to insert my pillow. Now, of course, if you know how to sew on a zipper, then you should totally do that, you guys, because it makes it so much easier to insert the pillow, but I will manage this way. Now I didn't want to leave it like this because, as you can see, there's still a slightly opening here. So I am just adding 2 press down buttons to close that up. And now this is how it looks after I've attached the two invisible press down buttons, you guys, and it looks so much better now without you seeing the pillow insert. And this is it, so simple and easy. And this is how I have them styled, you guys. I am so loving the end result, and you can see how easy it is to create your own pillow covers. I'm so happy that I came across these kitchen towels. They make such a big impact. And that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you could find some inspiration. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel and you like this type of videos, then I would really love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Remember to live, laugh and love. Bye!